In today's fast-paced, interconnected world, customer experience is everything. And to stay as connected as your customers, your contact center needs to be faster, smarter, and more streamlined than ever. Introducing Unity CX, an intelligent call and contact center application that utilizes BroadWorks direct routing and is accessible within Microsoft Teams, creating an integrated CX solution. And with a range of variants, covering all key contact center roles. Unity CX is the ultimate tailored experience for all aspects of your contact center. With Unity Agent, agents can harness a unified platform that is omnichannel ready and allows them to support multiple conversations simultaneously. Unity Supervisor provides total oversight of your contact center, allowing for dynamic management of queues as well as agents, with supervision tools such as Silent Monitor and Barge In. And with Unity Reception, harness unparalleled call handling and management, with presence monitoring and intelligent call control functionality. With Unity CX, deliver exceptional interconnected experiences for your contact center users and for your customers.